Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to create cartoon line drawing portrait in Photoshop. First of all, open Photoshop and create a new canvas. Then import the portrait photo you want to convert. Now duplicate the photo layer to keep the original shape and structure to the image. Duplicate the layer and set the blending mode to multiply. Apply filters, find edges for cartoon like outlines. Invert the colors or press Ctrl plus L to make lines black. Adjust level to sharpen line visibility. Use the eraser tool to clean unwanted details. Then add a white background for contrast. Optionally use the pen tool to trace clean outlines manually. Then add flat colors. On a new layer, the line art. Save as PNG, JPG for sharing or keep PSD